We all have dreams and financial goals, and what we do and how we acquire the money to meet our goals vary from person to person. See, many people want to work remotely and be able to travel the world. That is their dream. That is their goal. I have been fortunate enough to travel to many places around the world and work from home for a few years now. So now I have shifted to a new personal goal, which is to buy my own house. And guess what? I did it. Thank you. Now I'm on to the next steps, which is fixing it up and making it completely my own from the inside out. Don't get me wrong, I still love to travel and I still do so. I try to make at least 2 trips a year, one of them being at least 2 to 3 weeks long at a time. So it's not like I am sacrificing one goal for another. So how exactly am I able to do both and still live comfortably? 2 words: passive income. See, passive income is making money without really having to do daily active work, like exchanging work hours for a salary. It's generating commissions, interests, and so forth on a consistent basis to help grow your financial means. It might sound too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. And there are different ways for you to do it too. In this video, I'm going to go over six different ideas for you to begin generating your own means of passive income. These will be great for college students, stay-at-home parents, or just anyone looking to make extra cash on a month-to-month basis. I hope this video provides you some value. So let's get started. If you're new to this channel, my name is Marley Espinales. I have my own web design and online marketing company. I love to travel, hike, and I'm constantly trying to find new ways to make more money. This is what I like to talk about and share tips about here. So if any of these topics interest you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and if you like any of the information that is shared on this video today, make sure to hit that like button as well so I can continue to create more content like this for you. It is important to understand that this is passive and not active income, meaning you will still have to put in some type of effort in the beginning to get it started and some slight minimal effort for ongoing maintenance and growth. Remember, these are not get-rich-quick schemes. So first way to generate passive income, bank interest. It's not the newest or sexiest idea, but anyone and everyone can do it. It requires really no effort upfront to get started. You can set up a high yield savings account online and slowly over the years acquire interest on the money that you keep within the bank. Look into banks like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, HSBC Direct Savings, Ally Bank, and Barclays Online Savings, which can pay out up to a 2.15% annual percentage yield. Remember that the more money you have in these savings, the more you'll get back on interest. Now, on to the second idea. Second idea is to start a blog and sell ad space on it. Now, this one is definitely requires some time and effort in the beginning because you will need to grow an audience to bring in traffic to your website. The more traffic you bring in, the more lucrative these ad spaces can be to advertisers and the higher chances of generating said income. If you go this route, remember that it requires a lot of writing, so pick a topic you know and are passionate about. Build your brand around that, grow your following, and then sell those banner ad spaces, or CPC, which stands for cost per click, meaning you can charge people per click to run ads on your website. The higher the authority and quality traffic to your blog, the higher charge on the click. But a bit of advice. Don't overwhelm your blog with a bunch of ads. Placement is everything. Too many ads can turn people off. It can look spammy. Third way to generate passive income into 2020, ebooks, PDFs, and Amazon publishing. The wonderful thing about these digital products is that you can easily sell them over and over again without having to worry about any tangible fulfillment or logistics. Also consider your production costs. It would be either low or none. You can do most of the work yourself, or maybe you can hire a subcontractor to help you put your digital product into a nice and appealing format. Then you need to promote and sell it across the interwebs, be it on podcasts, Amazon, various social media platforms. Once again, you can do this yourself or hire someone at a low fee to help you. But in the end, that profit margin will be out of this world because once your product is complete, you won't have to keep recreating it unless you need to or want to put out an updated version of volume. Fourth, YouTube. Yes, growing a YouTube channel and using this platform to build a business. Now, there are different ways to make money off of YouTube, but one of the ways is through ad revenue, where you get paid whenever a viewer watches or clicks an ad that pops up on your video. There are different ads YouTube shows like overlay, pop-up ads, display, skippable, and non-skippable. There are certain requirements that your channel must meet first before you can start generating any income. This includes meeting the minimum number of subscribers and views. There's an opportunity for everyone to generate a hefty income from YouTube ad revenue. And the harder you push for your channel to grow, the more passive income you can make on a daily basis. You can do it. It's possible. Trust me. Let's do this together. Fifth, selling an e-course or a digital course. So what is an e-course exactly? Consider it a breakdown of information that helps solve somebody's problem or helps teach someone or a business how to do something for themselves. You would want to get specific and target a niche to be more successful with this. I'm an online marketer and I try to target dentists. So I would create a social marketing for dentists digital course where I can break down the basics on how to implement an effective social marketing plan for their practice. I would create an outline of what I would teach, such as an introduction of social media, the best platforms for dentists to be on, and to break it down even further based off of those platforms, like Facebook marketing for dentists, and have chapters within that, Instagram for dentists, and so forth. I can provide online workbooks or PDFs and videos for them to follow along with and sell the course for them to implement in-house and kind of create their own in-house marketing team. In order for me to accomplish this, or even yourself to accomplish this, you will need to use a platform to host this course and allow you to advertise and sell it in a simple manner. I like to recommend Builderall, which has an e-learning tool that allows you to create unlimited courses for your audience, as well as create landing pages to help you promote it and get people to buy it. Remember, you have to advertise it or else no one's going to know about it. I have actually added a link below for the Builderall e-learning platform, so you can learn more about it. Make sure to click on it, navigate through it, sign up for the free 7-day trial, which I highly recommend, so you can take a tour of all the marketing tools they offer. Now, if you made it to this part of the video, then that means we have gotten to our sixth and final way to generate passive income, and that is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to not only make passive income online, but to truly start your own online business. You are essentially the middleman. You are connecting a company's service or product to a buyer who is in need of it. And once they purchase or sign up, you will get a commission off that sale. The way you connect these two dots is through your own specific affiliate marketing link that the company provides you, in which you will begin promoting. This is how they keep track of your sales and payout. You can focus on marketing one specific affiliate or multiple, but each will have their own specific affiliate marketing link. Now, the payout can vary. There are companies who pay out a 10% commission from the sale and some who will pay up to 100%. There are those who pay out a specific dollar amount, like $25 for each sale or more instead of a percentage per sale. Some are one-time payments per sale and some are ongoing recurring commission payments from a singular sale. Now, those reoccurring payment affiliate programs are the ones that can really help build up your passive income. For example, Builderall. They provide a great affiliate marketing program where you help them sell either their marketing platform or affiliate program. Both are membership based. If an individual purchases either the ongoing monthly membership through your affiliate link, not only will you make commission off of that initial sale, but you will continue to generate income on a monthly basis for as long as they're an active paying member. So that's what I mean in regards to reoccurring payment affiliate programs. You want to find those big ticket items, the ones that are not just a one-time payout. It's the ones where you can generate on a monthly basis, because that's what's going to build up your income. So I've actually made a video that talks more about their affiliate marketing program. I'm talking about Builderall, and have added a link in the description below for you to watch and hopefully sign up so you yourself can begin making income through affiliate marketing. I recommend signing up for the 7-day trial. There's nothing to lose. They provide webinars. We have a Facebook mastermind group that you can join that I can give you access to. This is just a stepping stone for you to get introduced into this world. They have a lot of great resources. I highly recommend it. Make sure to click that link in the description. Now remember, affiliate marketing will also take time to build, but there are so many people out there who are successful at it. So why can't you be one of them as well? Join me, trust me. It takes time, but it's worth it. Well, guys, you have reached the end of our video. I really hope that it has provided you with some insight and has motivated you to take that first step in putting any of these into action. Build this money to reach your goals, whatever they may be. Remember, please click the thumbs up on this video to let me know that you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be one of the first to see any new content that I put out. Till next time.